Ever looked at your bank statement and seen a charge labeled Empower and wondered, what in the world is that? You're not alone. It's a question I get asked a lot, and honestly, it can be a little confusing. We're so used to seeing specific vendor names like Amazon or Netflix, but Empower is a bit more generic. It doesn't immediately tell you what you've purchased. So, what is it? In most cases, Empower on your bank statement refers to a payment processed through a specific payment gateway or platform called Empower. Think of it like a middleman. Many businesses, especially smaller ones or online platforms, use Empower to process their credit and debit card transactions. So, the charge isn't from Empower itself, but rather through Empower on behalf of the actual business you're dealing with. Now, here's the tricky part. Empower itself doesn't tell you which business you paid. That's why it can be so frustrating trying to figure it out. It's like seeing Visa on your statement. You know it was a Visa transaction, but you still need to look at the details to see where you actually spent the money. So, how do you track down what that Empower charge really is? Here are a few tips. First, check your email. Think about recent online purchases or subscriptions you might have signed up for. Often, the confirmation email will mention the actual business name, even if the bank statement shows Empower. Second, check your credit card or bank account online. Sometimes, if you click on the transaction details, there will be more information than what's printed on the statement. It might show a more descriptive name or even a phone number you can call for clarification. Third, think about any recurring payments you have. Do you have any subscriptions that might be processed through a third-party platform? Gym memberships, streaming services, online courses, these are all possibilities. Fourth, if all else fails, contact your bank or credit card company directly. They should be able to provide more details about the transaction, including the merchant's name or contact information. They have access to more detailed records than what you might see on your statement. Finally, and this is a good habit in general, keep track of your online purchases. A simple spreadsheet or even just a note in your phone can save you a lot of time and frustration when you're trying to reconcile your bank statement. If you know what you've bought, it's much easier to match it up with the Empower charge. It's important to be proactive about these things. Unrecognized charges, even small ones, can sometimes be a sign of fraudulent activity. So, if you absolutely cannot identify an Empower charge, definitely contact your bank immediately to report it. It's better to be safe than sorry. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.